Hello, I am Sienna Evans. The world is loud. People scream for attention. The noise is endless. Everyone is trying to be heard, trying to be noticed. But amidst the chaos, the strong man remains silent. He knows that silence is where power is born. The loudest voices in the room are often the weakest. They seek validation, they need praise, and they thrive on being seen. But the truly powerful man doesn't need any of that. He doesn't need the applause. He doesn't need to be recognized. His strength is internal. It's rooted in the quiet choices he makes every day. The strong man doesn't need to prove himself to anyone. His actions speak for him. Every decision he makes, every step he takes, is a reflection of his strength. And when life throws challenges at him, he faces them with unwavering resolve. Because his confidence doesn't come from external validation. It comes from knowing that he's building himself, day after day, with each silent action, each choice to grow. In a world that thrives on external validation, the man who understands the value of silence is unstoppable. He doesn't need the spotlight to shine. He simply keeps moving forward, silently, confidently, relentlessly. The world will hear him eventually, but it won't be because he asked for it. It will be because he earned it. In the silence, he will rise.